Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Sell Those Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to use a bearing press tool on an inner hub bearing on this 2000 Acura 3.2 TL. So stay tuned, guys. Welcome back. As I said, I'm going to show you how to use a bearing press tool on this inner hub bearing on the 2000 Acura TL. Now this is a 2000, so that means it's 22 years old, guys. That is a lot of corrosion and oxidation, and you're going to see this inner hub bearing is demolished. I took it out in pieces when I took the hub off and the CV axle came out. The entire hub, all the ball bearings, the everything just gone, just drops right out. So that's when you go, oh no. But that's also why your vehicle was making a rumbling sound and causing some serious vibration while driving, if you could drive at all, because that's what holds your CV axle in place. So let's get this thing fixed, get you back on the road, and save you hundreds of dollars with your new bearing press tool.
Just wanna ride around town with you. I'm happy to be alive.
Hey guys, I wanted to go over this real quick because I didn't really see a good video online about how to set up your inner hub bearing replacement tool. So you do have caps on your replacement tool. As you can see, you also have a bunch of sleeves, okay? So you see these caps right here. All of them are different assortments and different sizes and everything. But you're going to go ahead and get your bolt, put a cap on it, okay? And you're going to put it on one side of your hub. Let me go ahead and turn on the lights for you guys. There we go. You're going to go ahead and put it on one side after you put a sleeve on the bearing, okay? And you put this over top, okay? On the other side, at first, you do not have to have a sleeve on this side because the bearing is nowhere even close to the side. So you're just going to use a cap. Turn the cap over just like this, where it's sitting flush on the hub surface itself. Okay, you're going to start tightening using a impact. I used a 27 millimeter with my bolt, and I held the other side with my 15-inch adjustable. So you just want to have some good leverage on it, hold it tight, and it will just start pushing it out easily. Now once it gets flush, you want to go ahead and use one of the sleeves that will fit over the inner hub bearing, okay? And then put your cap on top of it, okay? So once you actually use a sleeve, you want to flip that cap over so it fits inside just like that. And then you will tighten the bolt up just like this, hold the adjustable right there, and it'll push your bearing out. Very simple. Okay, I hope this helps everyone. I didn't see a good video about it online, and I know a lot of people have questions of how to set up your own inner hub bearing replacement tool. So hopefully this helps you guys. If it does, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, I'm sure I don't need to say this, but just in case, make sure you wear safety goggles or a mask, okay? Anytime when you're using the impact. If this thing ever shoots off at you, you're going to remember it, okay? Alright, so we went ahead and took the extractor bolt out and everything, as you see. Get that real nice. Let me turn on the light for you guys. I want you to be able to see this. Hold on. There we go. All right, you see right in there, you have a little collar right there. That's what your race bearing will actually sit on. Okay, you see right there, and it's just going to fit in there just like that. Now remember, when we are putting it in, guys, not only are we going to clean in here first with some Scotch-Brite. If you don't know what Scotch-Brite is, it's this green pad that you see at the dollar store that's real cheap. Okay, that works miracles in the mechanic shop. Okay, so we're going to clean in there. We're going to, get all that nice and looking good. And then we are going to put grease, okay, on the outside of this bearing before we press it back in. Okay, too easy, guys. Alright, as you can see, here's the race bearing itself. Get the sleeve off of it. That's the sleeve that I was pushing with. Of course, I picked the wrong size, so I'm going to have fun getting that out. And but it got it out. So, we got the old one out. Let's go ahead and get our sleeve back. Go ahead and get this thing prepped and get ready to put that new bearing in.
Thankful to live in this time. Every day living to shine. Yeah, shawty look all in the prime. Yeah, squeezing on her like a lime. Yeah, that's how we on it. Yeah, that's how we on it. Anything other than positive energy now, I don't even want it. If it ain't got nothing to do with me promising you me, I won't even know it. Only thing I need is peace and a little more OJ to go with this poet. Look, just wanna ride around town with you. I'm happy to be alive. Turn the music up, the windows down. I'm happy to be alive. 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 Just wanna ride around town with you. I'm happy to be alive. Turn the music up, the windows down. Look, I'm happy to be alive. Flavor just running my blood, scraping the mud, all in my backpack. I'm not sure where is you from. I'm not the one, might got a fact check. I got a lot on my mind, lot on my heart, lot to be happy about. Don't take my kindness for weakness, it ain't no secret. Might get this smacking you out. Whatever happened to being a kid? If you needed a friend, they would be all around. When do we start hurting each other? When will we recover? When we gon' swing it around? Nowadays, if you want anything other than money, I'll happily keep you around. Mama say either you swim or you drown. Let's skip all the talking and float to the town like look, just wanna ride around town with you. I'm happy to be alive. Turn the music up, the windows down. I'm happy to be alive. 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 Look, I ain't got no problem with nobody. I'm just enjoying mimosas and minding my business. Don't worry, I'm nobody. Thankful to live in this time. Every day living to shine. Yeah, shawty look all in the prime. Yeah.
Fall. Don't you fall. Don't you fall. Here we go. All right, come on, guys. Let me show you this real quick. All right. So you see, this is the outside of the hub. Okay, this is where your tire would be. And that's the way that the bearing is going to come out, is that way. That's why we have the sleeve on here that's bigger than the bearing. So when we go to tighten this, okay, when we go to tighten this, let me turn on a light just in case you guys can't see with the other lights. Okay, when we go to tighten it, the bearing is going to come right out and bloop, right into the sleeve. Okay, so make sure, whoa, okay, make sure that sleeve stays correct on there. You'll see me correct it before I start tightening this. On the other side, You see the sleeve that we have that we beat in on the right, the cap in the center, and then the bolt holding it all together. Okay? Too easy. All right, let me go ahead and put you guys down.
Just wanna ride around town with you. Ooh, I'm happy to be alive. Turn the music up, the windows down. Ooh, look, I'm happy to be alive. Flavor just running my blood, scraping the mud, all in my backpack. I'm not sure where is you from. I'm not the one. Might got a fact check. I got a lot on my mind, lot on my heart, lot to be happy about. Don't take my kindness for weakness. It ain't no secret. Might get this smacking you out. Whatever happened to being a kid if you needed a friend?
Ay, ay, ay. So dirty. It's okay. You just saved yourself a bunch of money as long as you have this inner hub bearing replacement tool set, which I will put it in the video description down below for you guys. All right, as you see, my cap is still on there. The sleeve is still in there. So we're gonna have to get that taken out, which is nothing. Okay, we're just gonna tap-a-roo and get that.
I ain't got no problem with nobody. I'm just enjoying mimosas and minding my business. Don't worry, I'm nobody. Thankful to live in this time. Every day living to shine. Yeah, shawty look all in the prime. Yeah, squeezing on her like a lime. Yeah, that's how we on it. Yeah, that's how we on it. Anything other than positive energy now, I don't even want it. If it ain't got nothing to do with me promising you me, I won't even know it. Only thing I need is peace and a little more OJ to go with this poet. Look, just wanna ride around town with you. Ooh, I'm happy to be alive. Turn the music up, the windows down. Ooh, I'm happy to be alive. 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 Just wanna ride around town with you. Ooh, I'm happy to be alive. Turn the music up, the windows down. Ooh, look, I'm happy to be alive. Flavor just running my blood, scraping the mud, all in my backpack. I'm not sure where is you from. I'm not the one. Might got a fact check. I got a lot on my mind, lot on my heart.
Let me show you this real quick. Right here, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light so you can see this. This is how far you want to push the bearing in, okay? Right there. I'm going to point with my little, finger hands. There you go. And that right there is where the snap ring goes in, okay? So you want to push the bearing right past that. If you're watching your socket on the other side, you're going to see it's going to start slowing down, and then it's just going to stop all of a sudden. That's because your bearing has now hit that collar. Let me go ahead. As I said, you can always clean grease out. You cannot put more grease in when you're trying to insert a bearing. Okay? So don't forget grease, guys. It's the simplest thing about being a mechanic. Lubricate before insertion. Okay? Too easy. Alright, and you see it's all the way up against the collar there. And there you go. You got brand new inner hub bearings. Go ahead and put those snap rings back into place. And next I will be putting brand new ball joints on this hub. So if you need ball joints as well, stay tuned. Hey guys, Wasn't that easy? I mean, the shops make it look so hard. And if you don't set everything up right, does it press it in? Does it draw it out? Whatever. Now you got it. Now you understand it. Now you can implement it on all your future jobs, saving you hundreds of dollars, not having to go to the machine shop for them to press something in for you. Hey, I only go to the machine shop if I need a head resurfaced or if I'm doing some block work, okay? Those machinists, those guys, man, they are hardcore. Hats off to all you machinists out there. You think mechanics deal with hundreds and thousands and, behind the decimal, if you know what I'm talking about? Machinists, they are way back there. They're in the, 500,000th of an inch. It's crazy, okay? But hey, hats off to all you machinists. Thanks for helping us mechanics out there getting our jobs back on the road. So guys, if you have any questions about today's video, make sure you leave them in the comments section down below. I answer all the comments myself, and I love helping you guys out with your projects and getting your vehicles back on the road instead of having to pull some personal loan to go to an auto shop because they want $500,000 to keep your Honda Civic on the road. No more of that, guys. Make this year the year you start saving on your auto repairs. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, that way you get notified when I release all my future DIY auto repair videos in the future. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, hey, keep on wrenching. Take care.
When we gon' swing it around. Nowadays, if you want anything other than money, I'll happily keep you around. Mama say either you swim or you drown.